Emily Lester, and I'm the French wine correspondent for the Napa Valley Wine Academy. And today I'm standing in a vineyard in Champagne, and it's a beautiful July day, just about sunset. And this is a continental climate with clearly defined seasons, although if you ask a local, they'll probably tell you that it feels like winter 6 months out of the year. But what I wanted to show you today is a really nice example of the life cycle of a vineyard, because we've got a couple things taking place. So first, right here, just after flowering, we have what's called fruit set. And this is an example of an incomplete fruit set. And just over here to the other side, this is a complete fruit set. So you can see a different type of evolution. And this is what we call véraison. Eventually this will mature and become a much bigger cluster as it progresses through the season. And then we're going to have a harvest, or what we call here in France, a vendage. And typically in Champagne, that takes place at the end of August or the beginning of September, depending on what the seasons are like.